Hello, my beautiful friends. It's me, Jennysrp, and today we are here to unbox Witch Casket. Witch Casket is a UK subscription box with novelty gifts, usually specialty branded for Witch Casket. It costs £27 a month in the UK or £35 a month internationally. I should say that if you order this box internationally, you can expect shipping delays of a few weeks, could even take up to a month to receive your package. This month's Witch Casket for July is for Healing Magick. Let's open it up. We have our pamphlet giving us a description of everything that we have in the box this month. Healing Magick. It's hard to imagine it's time for July's Witch Casket already, but here it is. With everything that's going on in the world right now, it seems the whole world needs healing. So with that in mind, we packed as much love and healing energy as possible into July's Witch Casket, and we really hope you can all feel it, and that the magic encased inside helps you all to find some peace and healing. First, we have this art print by Stel, a Witch Casket exclusive. Captivating art print created by Witch Casket's in-house designer that portrays the power we all hold in our hands. Next, we have the art print by its.morganna, Witch Casket exclusive. Honors Mother Nature's stunning amethyst and the beautiful healing energies held within. Next, we have a Witch Casket exclusive. We have the Waning Moon Healing Spell Kit, which probably would have been useful a couple of days ago. We are experiencing the dark moon tonight for July in Cancer. And encased in this package is everything you need to aid healing in yourself and others. It includes witch hazel, lavender, a sodalite tumbled stone, a white satin pouch, and instructions for casting your spell. The Healing Crystal and Lavendar Enamel Pin, a Witch Casket exclusive. Show the world your magical side with this enchanting enamel pin. All of the art in this box is so cute. I thought everything would be styled like it was last month with the parchments, but this is a completely different design. Purple, kitties, cute, kitschy, a kitschy witch box. Next, we have the Pentacle Altar Disc by Summer's Isle, Witch Casket exclusive. Presented in a black velvet pouch, inscribed with a protective pentacle, the beautiful rustic handcrafted dish honors the elements, and it's a practical addition to your magical space. It can be used as an offering dish to hold and display crystals, herbs, blends, or anything that you want. So cute. It's got a great weight to it too. Next, we have the Amethyst crystal. Amethyst tumble stone and info card. Amethyst is a great healing stone, believed to help with emotional and physical well-being. Calming stone eases stress and soothes irritability, balance emotions, and helps with anger, anxiety, and grief. Amethyst also enhances spiritual awareness and psychic abilities. Next, we have the Witch Casket Mini Healing Spell. This simple candle spell will help you to let go of and heal from past pain and move forward with a higher sense of peace. Includes instructions. Light the candle and meditate on this spell. Not sure if I need a candle holder for that, or I guess I'll read the instructions and find out. That's gorgeous packaging. Next, we have Witch Casket Lavender Butterfly Green Tea. I am currently sipping a cup of this beautiful tea. You can definitely smell the lavender in it. It's by Tea Cakes of Yorkshire. Brew yourself a magical, relaxing, and meditating infusion. Lavender teas for purifying and calming effects, with a green tea for a floral finish. Next, we have the Talisman, the Healing Amulet. Carry this talisman with you for empowerment and healing. Read the inscription whenever you feel pain or heartache. The Crystal Magic Info Book, an informative handbook with instructions for the magical world of crystals, how to use them, cleanse them, wear them, and incorporate these into your spells, rituals, and healing practices. Next, we have this amazing Witch pillow cover. The cushion cover is designed exclusively by Witch Casket. Measures 15 by 15 inches, and I happen to have the perfect pillow to put inside of it. Next up is the Essential Oil Blend, a relaxing essential oil blend used to cleanse and heal. You can use it in an oil burner, add them to spells and rituals. Use it as a perfume or aura spray. Add a base though, typically in oil or water. Never put it as a pure essential oil on your skin. We have lavender for peace, healing, and purification, and mandarin for joy, happiness, friendship, energy, and youth. Next, we have the Simple Healing Spells Parchment Scroll, a Witch Casket exclusive. Inscribed on the pink parchment scroll are simple spells, from bath soaks to charm bags, carefully curated to aid you with emotional and physical healing. So that is everything from this month's Witch Casket. An absolutely amazing box that is so cute with purple and pink art with cats, moons, stars. Absolutely perfect. I'm going to spend my evening with this box tonight to get ready for some new beginnings. I love the kitschy witch theme. It really makes me excited for upcoming boxes. Now, to subscribe to Witch Casket, I recommend visiting their website at witchcasket.co.uk. Sign up to their mailing list and they'll let you know when subscriptions are open. You'll sign up for a subscription directly through PayPal, and you'll use your PayPal email address to receive emails from them as well. So make sure that you are someone who's currently checking your PayPal email address, and that's where you'll need to cancel directly on PayPal as well if you choose to do that. I absolutely love Witch Casket, and I'm so glad that I decided to try it out. I hope you do too. Let me know if you're interested in it. I think it's really fun. I did a lot of rituals with my Sun Magic box from last month. Lots of little prayers and intentions and little meditations. I just think it's so entertaining and a beautiful theme that is really on point with where I am right now. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below and let me know what kinds of things you want to see on this channel, or if you're excited about Witch Casket and its future boxes. And we'll see you very soon. Take care of each other. Bye!